So I just turned that screw about 10 degrees and it's got all the play out this, or tighten that up just a little bit so it's snug. So I just turned that screw about 10 degrees and it's got all the play out, but it's not, you know, super tight. Here's a dresser assembly on the Easy Sharp machine. There's these center points right here. These are the set screws that lock the center points from rotating. I had to get a bunch of dust out of there to find something to fit that. Then you can loosen up this, or tighten that up just a little bit so it's snug. And then you just snug this just a tiny bit, because this has never been probably adjusted. This is a machine from 2016, so it's 8 years old. It has just a little bit of play, and that's after I've loosened it up. It's in the Easy Sharp. That's a dressing machine. So if it's loose, you'll get a little bit of, when you're dressing here with the diamond, you don't want to have, you want this to be a pure pivot and not to have play like that. That's after I've loosened it up, but I'm going to snug this up just some, make it good. You know, without this set screw, when you open this up, it's going to rotate that. So this set screw pushes into that, prevent it from backing off. So I've got that just like it was when it was new. That's on the Easy Sharp machine. Here's the pivot centers. A little bit of slop. Undo the set screw. Tighten up the center point just a little bit. This is after I loosened it. And there's a standard American. You can snug that up. These are the lock set screws in the top.